You've found the parking bay you want. Now all you need to do is get your car within the markings without bashing into anything nearby. Start by pulling up alongside the space about a meter from the bay. Drive 3 parking spaces beyond the bay you're aiming to reverse into until your reference point hits the first line of the first bay. Your reference point will be about a third of the way down the door from the wing mirror. Your target bay will now be 3 spaces behind you. When that point lines up with the marking for the third bay, select reverse and turn the steering wheel as far as you can to the left. That will put you in the third bay back from your reference point. Keep looking around, and using your mirrors you'll be able to see if your wheels are in the bay. Once the tyres are inside the lines, straighten up the car, turning the wheel quickly but driving slowly. Keep driving in reverse. Stop when your wing mirror crosses the bay marking. Handbrake on, engine off. You've bay parked.